welcome to Shweta's vlog. So the next destination is Cocos Walk. So this is very famous in Kodaikanal. तो जो भी कोडाईकनाल जाता है या तो जाया ही होगा. If you haven't gone, you must go and visit this place. This is a very beautiful place, and this is right next to our stay. That is where we are, that behind the church. So this is very near, just the next road of our stay. So that is our stay actually, and this is famous for early morning sunrise and sunset views. So यहाँ पे भी ticket है, so you have to buy ticket and you have to go inside. So this is the only place in Kodaikanal which will be open early in the morning, because यहाँ का sunrise जो है, it is very beautiful and picturesque. So most of the time people try to come in the morning who know it. बाकी तो पूरा दिन में आके देख के चले जाते हैं. But if you really want to enjoy sunrise and sunset, then should be there. And 25 years back when we had come very early and waited for the sunrise. But this time we couldn't, because बच्चों को ready करके ये सब करने में time लग जाता है. And finally we came around 7:30. तो ये है एक pathway. Actually इसको कोकोस वॉक बोलते हैं, क्योंकि this is a straight 1 kilometer of walk in between a mountain. So इसको बनाया था 1872 में by Lieutenant Colonel जो कोकस उनका नाम था, ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर. उन्होंने इसको बनाया था. He has cut down the mountain in the middle and he has made a pathway. So usually this was very famous among the British people, British officers. उनको wife उनके साथ उनका wife लेके यहाँ पे आते थे early morning walks के लिए. तब तो ये कच्चा रोड था. Then they started developing it and they made this pathway. As you can see, still it is damaged and repair work will be going on. And they have put railings and all now. Before ये railings सब नहीं था, but it was very dangerous with kids and all. So now they have taken precautionary measures. So ये 1 किलोमीटर ऐसे ही चलते जाते हैं, pathway है, and you can see the picture perfect view from here. तो इस view में क्या क्या दिखता है? Pember River Valley दिखता है, Dolphin's Nose, Periyakkalam town and Madurai city. So ये सब दिखता है, and you can actually enjoy this with cycle ride as well. So if you can bring your cycle or you can rent a cycle and you can come here and do cycling as well if you don't want to walk. So मुझे तो walk ही बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे, because you can take your own time and stop and see the view. देखो, so थोड़े थोड़े दूर if you go, व्यू बदलते जाते हैं, and there is a entire full path, and there is lot of stalls also, shops also here, and they are still doing some construction work. I think they are going to do a viewpoint, sunrise viewpoint there. So अभी इसका काम चल रहा है, as you can see. Slowly they have to do because it is a mountain. So यहाँ से मैंने जूम करके कुछ देखा, पता नहीं क्या है ये बिल्डिंग, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. I think it is a school or something like that, because it's very big. So yes, it looks really beautiful from here, and that side is where I was showing from my stay. The peak you can see, the pointed one. So वो हमारे stay से दिखता था. So that is the view we used to see. So ये उसका opposite side का है, and you can see entire mountains starting from the point till the end of the point. It keeps on changing, and it looks really fab. और यहाँ पे कुछ garden भी बनाया गया है, but it is not open yet. I don't know whether they'll open it lately, but still it is going on. I think construction अभी चल रहा है. So maybe future people who come here can enjoy this garden. So as of now they are making this point and garden. तो बहुत ही सुंदर है, and luckily it was sunny that day. So पहले जब हम गए थे तब आने का सोच रहे थे हम, अगर उस टाइम हम आए होते तो it would have filled with the fog. So you can't see this सीनरी, बिकॉज पूरा अगर यहाँ पे कवर हो गया मिस्ट तो यू कांट सी एनीथिंग. सो लकीली वी डिसाइडेड टू come on the next day before leaving Kodaikanal. So it was sunny day and we all the mist was evaporated, so we could see the entire beautiful scene and we took lot of pictures here because ये picture perfect pictures आता है यहाँ पे. And if you come in the evening also it will be very calm and soothing. So रोक रोक के आप देख के जा सकते हो. There is some restaurant or something like that here which was not open yet. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा बड़ा है. So I think that is a stay or something like that, or a hotel or something which was closed as of now. Shop होगा शायद. And इसके ऊपर भी कुछ बनाया गया है, मे बी stays होंगे, but I don't know what it is, but I think it is a stay. So यहाँ से आप ऐसे सब देख सकते हो and every time you stop you will see different picturesque views. And यहाँ पे शॉप भी है as I said, and अभी खुल रहे हैं because it's early morning. By 9:30 it will start and you can do shopping and there will be some snacks and all to have on the way. And अच्छा तो है, like you can feel the fresh air and the beauty. See the sky, how clear it is. See the sky. ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि बैकड्रॉप पे कुछ आपने स्काईज वहां पे फिक्स किए होंगे. इट लुक्स सो परफेक्ट. सो ऐसा अभी कैमरा में ऐसे दिख रहा है तो नेचुरल आईज में कैसा दिखता होगा ये. इट इज सो मेस्मराइजिंग. यू फील रियली. हमारे पास टाइम नहीं था बैठने के लिए. इफ नॉट आई वुड हैव सैट फॉर हाफ एन आवर एंड जस्ट स्टेयर्ड एट द स्काई एंड द माउंटेन्स. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी हैड टू लीव अर्ली सो वी कांट जस्ट वेट. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे मैंने देखा था तो आई इंसिस्टेड किड्स एंड हैप्पी टू कम हियर. दे वर लाइक अरे कितना देखेंगे एक दिन में like that. But after coming they felt nice, especially my son felt nice because he got good pictures for Instagram. तो डोंट मिस इट व्हेन यू गो टू कोडाईकनाल. इसके अपोजिट में ही बैंटर्स पार्क है, बट वो 9:30 को खुलता है एंड इट इज जस्ट लाइक ए बिग पार्क, नाइस पार्क. बट हम नहीं गए बिकॉज वन डे फुल वेंट ऑन इन एक्सप्लोरिंग अदर थिंग्स एंड द नेक्स्ट डे वी थॉट वील गो देयर एंड कम हियर एंड गो देयर, बट कुडंट बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो होटल्स है बाय 9 AM यू हैव टू vacate it. 9 AM last day. Agar after 9 if you stay then you have to give rent for the next day as well. So better you have to plan early because 9 ke baad they will charge again. So it is better you evacuate before that. And this is the end point of Cocos Walk. So यहाँ पे है telescope room. So this is if you have seen Ooty then you will know there is a telescope room there also. So this is the end of the 1 kilometer walk which we came. And यहाँ पे देखो the scenery is totally different and wide mountains you can see from the from here. The entire range you can see here. So mist थोड़ा थोड़ा है. It looks so sable and nice. So this is the telescope. From there you can see. But problem ये था, ये अंकल जो यहाँ पे बेटे हैं, so he was the one who was taking care of this. So we wanted to go and see, but we have to pay ticket for this 10 rupees. So इसके बाद थोड़ा पार्क है that side, that's it. So we just wanted to see, but ये asked for 10 rupees. So हमारे पास 10 rupees नहीं थे, हमने 100 rupees दी and uncle didn't had the change. So better if you want to see its telescope से, then you carry your own 10 rupees or 20 rupees change. He didn't had Google Pay also. So they were not taking anything. And hotel में भी हमने पूछा, they also didn't had the change. So it was sadly we couldn't see from the telescope. So they'll show few places from zoom effect you can see. Ultimately, we came till the end, and finally, this is the last place to visit in Kodaikanal. And इसके बाद हम वहाँ से निकलने वाले थे. तो I really enjoyed this, and we are going back towards the main gate now. तो पूरा एक walk हो जाता है, and the beauty which is there, it's like very beautiful, so you can enjoy, even you can do shopping if you come a bit late. पूरा दिन खुला होता है, maybe from मॉर्निंग 6 या कुछ ऐसा ये ओपन होता है 5:36 को, and it will be there till 6:30, and there you can see there people are using drone also to record the beauty of that. And अभी अभी लोग आने शुरू हो गए हैं, so it will be very rush after if you come later, but if you want to enjoy a peaceful and silent Cocos Walk, then coming morning is the best thing. And मैंने एक कुत्ता भी देखा वहाँ which was looking like a doll in the initial time, then I understood it is a real dog. तो मैंने स्टैचू समझा था उसको. So this is the Cocos Walk, and we are out of it, and back to going to room to collect our things. So this is the room, and where I'm standing is the Cocos Walk. So यहाँ से compound के अंदर से मैंने ये लिया है. So इतना ही distance है हमारे stay को और Cocos Walk को, and church is there. So it's opposite, if you can see, that is the Banters Park, which is closed right now. But anyways, it was really nice, and you shouldn't miss this place, and you should visit, and you will really like it. Thanks for watching, guys.